And just let me tell you, this is the whole set. So just so you guys understand, it's marked all the way down to $21.29, but you're getting the 4.2 size of the amino acid cleanser. You're going to be getting the full 4.9 size of the toner, and obviously I've been using it. I love it. Don't get me started on the toner, guys. And then we also have the big 3.2 size of the daily moisturizer. This is a huge size for a moisturizer in general, but all of these together. And then on top of that, you're also going to be getting the 1.7 ounce of the dual foundation cream. And that is the cream I was showing you guys on the back of my hand that creates this really pretty golden glow to your skin. That's not greasy or oily. It just creates this shimmer. Has like a shimmer to it. It's so pretty how glowy it makes your skin. The thing I really like about the amino acid cleanser, again, really, really great for cellular regeneration. Great for getting those new skin cells developed. Also wonderful with the vitamin E in there as well. And then the thing I love is the toner. The toner is, I couldn't get enough. It has rose water in it. So again, very calming, helping with redness, helping with the flexibility of our skin. Very hydrating. It also does have witch hazel, which is great for helping to clean deep into our pores, aloe to soothe redness, to soothe our inflamed, puffy skin early in the morning. It's wonderful. And it also is going to have vitamin E as well. It does have hyaluronic acid, which is great, of course, for pulling in moisture and helping with fine lines and wrinkles. And something else I really like about this in particular is probably going to be the feel. Like the overall feel of it. It is, I would kind of describe it as being like water, but it has a emollient feel to it, if that makes any sense, like a silky feel. So you can feel it on your skin. It feels hydrating. So like water, how liquidy it is, right? But you can feel the silky feeling. It has a slip to it, which is definitely the aloe, the vitamin E in there. It's not greasy. It's not oily. I love the top here where it has like the extra little pop cover. Whoop. And then you have your screw-on lid too. And the smell, oh my goodness, the smell is so good. It's really, really light and fresh because it does have rose water in it, so it smells beautiful. The thing for me is the way that when you wake up in the morning, your skin looks very glowy and so baby soft. I love this toner. And then for the daytime moisturizer, look at how big the size is you're getting. This is all of them together, marked down for the holiday special, $21.29. I'm kind of like shocked that they have it that price, to be honest with you. It kind of feels like a steal or something. This is very big, and this one I really like because, okay, it turns into sort of a water cream. Watch this. It just melts into like a water cream. So a little bit will do your whole face, your whole neck, and it's super silky and lightweight and very like how it almost feels like emollient water as you rub it in. It's not greasy, it's not heavy. It's perfect for just a lightweight moisturizer. And kind of similar to the cream, it also creates this really nice sort of sheen to your skin without feeling greasy. But like, see how it creates this sort of sheen, this golden glow to your skin? And the smell is superb on this one. Again, with rose, lots of beautiful calendula in there to help bring down redness and puffiness. Beautiful smell to the calendula, really sensitive as well. Also, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, aloe. Aloe is really great, especially when we have aloe in our toners because it's wonderful for texture. It has about 8 different types of enzymes in aloe. So really wonderful for helping with texture, eating away at dead skin cells, helping with cellular rejuvenation. That is our 4-pack. So again, you're getting a toner, a full-size toner, full-size amino acid creme washer, cleanser, and then we're going to have our full-size 3.2 ounce daily moisturizer, and then we also have our dual foundation antioxidants essence, so that gives you that beautiful golden sheen to your skin when you use it, and everything has rose water in it. They all have vitamin E, hyaluronic acid, aloe, olive in it. It's just beautiful. Calendula, wonderful natural ingredients in there as well.